We are in the last part of Revelation. The Bible says that when Jesus Christ will come, his coming will be as of Noah time, because when Noah they ring the bell, when Noah they blow the trumpet, they give the people of the world that time their ear deaf, their eye blind, they not they see, they not they hear. Till Noah enter that ark, the people when Noah they blow the trumpet, they give, they drink, they smoke, they womanize, they fornicate, they carry girls up and down, they sleep with different men. The ones where they marry. Now so it still be now. If you enter social media now, party everywhere, marriage is full everywhere. Dwarf they marry tall they marry cripple. Anything that they marry, anything marryable. Oh, what will you do when you find yourself in hell? Now who they alive, now they worship God. Who don't die, now they worship God for inside grave. Where will you be when Jesus Christ comes?